Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Keto Blogging, and today in this video I'm going to show you how you can bring back the old classic wireframes to your Kadence theme. So if you are using Kadence theme, then you know that we have now the new design library, but if you want the old classic wireframes, then you can do that. You can restore that. For this, let's go to pages and you can open any of the pages. So let me click on here. Now let me click on design library, and here you will find a lot of pre-made templates, but we need to bring back the wireframes. So let me click on Cloud Connect, and here I will include the page link in the description. So all you have to do is copy the connection URL and paste it here. Now let's copy the connection key and let me paste it here. Now let's click on add connection, and as you can see, wireframe is now back. Let me click on that, and here you will see a lot of wireframes. Now you can use all these sections. So this is very helpful if you are building a new website and you want to build the structure or build the layout of your website, then you can use the wireframes here. So you can see different sections. You can see the FAQ section, pricing plan, thank you section, and all these timer options. So you will get a lot of pre-made templates or wireframes just by enabling this option. You need to add the connection URL and you need to add the connection key, and all the previous wireframes will be added to your Kadence theme. Now you can also use it on the starter sections. So let me copy the connection URL here, and let me click on plus, and let me paste the connection URL, and let me copy the key. Let's click on add sections. Now the section is added here as well. Let's click on that, and here you can see pre-made templates or sections here. So let's suppose I want to use this section. I will just click on here. Now it will be automatically added to my web page. So this is how you can add old classic wireframes and sections in your design library. So all you have to do is just copy the connection URL and connection key. So I will provide the article link in the description. Just go to this article and copy the connection URL. Now you can bring back all the old classic sections and wireframes to your Kadence theme. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe our channel for more videos like this.